everyone, I'm Frances with York County Library here in South Carolina, and I'm here to do another craft tutorial with the theme of Tails and Tales, which is our Summer Learning Challenge theme this year. So we're celebrating all creatures that have tails. Today's craft is a movable snake. We've done a movable lizard and a movable alligator. The alligator was kind of hard. This one's going to be super simple. So let's get started. This craft includes a long piece of yellow paper with the snake's body printed on it, a smaller piece with head and tail. This is the other side. And two little googly eyes, and all you need are scissors and a glue stick or craft glue. So, to begin, I've cut around most of the outside of the snake's body, but up here at the top, you need to trim around the outside. Little strip on this side, and then on the other side. Now, if you've done any of the other movable creatures, the lizard or the alligator, you probably know what this next step is, and it is to cut along all of these dotted lines. What you can do is, to make it easier, there are 4 sections. I've got a little bit of, I'm going to cut right here. Okay, so you've got one section here, another section here, another section here, and there. I'm going to cut between them here, here, and here. Then there's a line along this edge. You can fold it over all the way down, like so. And do that with the other sections as well. Then you're going to cut on the dotted lines up to the solid line. Don't cut past the solid line. I'm going to do that all the way up. When you get to these last 2 sections here, because the pieces are different lengths, you can't just fold over the ends first, so you've got to cut up to the solid line. And then fold over the ends. Next step is gluing. So you can either put glue here. I'm going to put glue along this side. And then you want to sort of fold there, come up and around, and press down. fold there. Take your time. Try to line up the pieces with the edge as neatly as possible. You will get a finer looking snake that way. And you just do this all the way from the front of the snake. This will be where his head is. This will be the tail down here. So we're going to fold all of those over and glue them down. When you get down to the end near the tail, it might be good to put a little bit of glue along here and also on the ends. Don't forget to sort of press this side and hold it down for just a minute to make sure it gets good and stuck. The last one is always the hardest one to do. So hold it down. Then you may want to sort of smush pesky glue stick to flatten the body just a little bit. There you have it. There's the snake's body. Now, you have this piece of paper, and on the back, the head and the tail. So you need to cut those out. The tail, you simply put some glue here and put it inside the last loop of the body. And there's the tail. Now the head, you're going to, I put mine through the first two loops of the body, or you could just do the first one, whichever you prefer. Bring it through. You're going to put a little bit of glue on the end here. And again, you can go through one loop or two. You need to hold this for a moment. And as always, sometimes it's good to have a little piece of tape for backup. And because I'm impatient and I don't want to wait. Now, last but not least, you have two little googly eyes. Put them on the snake's head, like so. And then there's one more thing. There's a little piece of black paper, and you need to cut a tongue for your snake. So snakes have a little bit of a forked tongue. So I'm just gonna cut mine out. Like so. And then put a little bit of glue underside of the front of the head. And there you have it. A movable snake. And this is a python. So have fun with that. And here's another view of the movable paper snake. Have fun and enjoy. And don't forget, it's not too late to sign up for our Summer Learning Challenge. See you again soon with another craft.